Starting off with a game changer for your lunch break, we have the Makita 40V Max X GT microwave. Gone are the days of eating cold leftovers or hunting for a power outlet, as this durable 500-watt unit runs entirely on battery power to heat food anywhere. It features a tempered glass door, an 8-liter capacity, and automatic stop functionality if it tilts, making it safe for rugged job sites. With two 40-volt batteries, you can heat multiple meals back-to-back, ensuring you stay fueled for the work ahead. It is dust and water resistant, proving that luxury convenience can actually survive a construction zone. Now, once you finish that hot meal, you'll need to tidy up the workspace. To clear away the crumbs and job site debris, look no further than the versatile Makita DAS 180 dust blower. This isn't just a simple blower, it is a multi-function air tool designed for blowing, inflating, and even deflating with a wide range of nozzle attachments included. It runs on the standard 18-volt LXT platform and features a tool-less nozzle change system that lets you switch from dusting off a workbench to inflating an air mattress in seconds. The variable speed trigger gives you precision control, while the lock-on button saves your finger during extended use. It is compact, powerful, and the perfect companion for keeping your area clean before you set up your power station. Speaking of power, you can keep the whole site running with the Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus 1800-watt portable power station. This inverter acts as a massive energy hub, allowing you to use up to 8 18-volt batteries to generate clean AC power for corded tools, laptops, or even TV screens during a tailgate. It produces 1,800 running watts and 3,000 starting watts, which is enough to run a full-size fridge or a circular saw remotely. You can monitor output levels on the digital screen, and it even works with just a single battery if that's all you have on hand. It is the ultimate solution for off-grid power, which is perfect for running your job site entertainment system. If you want to stream music using that power, the Ryobi Verse Clamp speaker is the most flexible audio solution out there. This clever speaker utilizes a rock-solid clamp mechanism that allows you to mount it onto 2x4 studs, scaffolding, or tent poles, so your music is always directed exactly where you are working. It is part of the Verse system, meaning you can sync multiple speakers together to create a surround sound experience across a large area without any complex wiring. The Bluetooth range extends over 250 feet, ensuring your phone stays safe in your pocket while the tunes play. With great sound quality and ultimate portability, it sets the perfect rhythm for precision woodworking. When it comes to precision, nothing beats the Festool Capex KSC60 cordless sliding compound miter saw. This tool brings the legendary accuracy of Festool to a battery-powered platform, offering a dual battery system that provides power equivalent to a corded tool for all-day cutting. It features an LED spotlight that projects the shadow of the blade onto the wood, giving you an exact cut line every single time without the need for calibration. The compact design and ergonomic handles make it easy to transport between floors, while the dust collection captures over 90% of sawdust when paired with a bag. It is the ultimate saw for finished carpentry, but for outdoor cutting, we need something with more reach. Moving from the workshop to the yard, the EcoPower Plus telescopic pole saw takes care of those hard-to-reach branches with ease. Featuring a lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber shaft, this tool extends up to 13 feet, allowing you to prune high limbs without ever stepping foot on a dangerous ladder. The tool-free tensioning system makes chain adjustments quick and painless, while the high-efficiency brushless motor delivers gas-like power without the noise or fumes. It also features an LED cut line indicator for better visibility in shaded canopies, ensuring you make safe and accurate cuts. Once you've cleared the canopy, you might find yourself working late into the evening. To keep working when the sun goes down, you'll need the EcoPower Plus Portable Area Light. This isn't just a flashlight. It is a customizable lighting solution that delivers up to 10,000 lumens of brightness to illuminate entire backyards or large indoor renovation projects. It features 5 brightness settings and foldable panels that allow you to direct light in 360 degrees or focus it on a specific task area. You can power it with any Ego 56-volt battery for hours of runtime, or plug it into a standard AC outlet for endless power. It even includes a USB-A and USB-C port to charge your phone, effectively doubling as a power bank. If you need dedicated portable power without the bulk of a large generator, the Ego Nexus Escape 400-watt inverter is the perfect add-on. This compact device clips directly onto the top of any Ego battery, instantly transforming it into a 120-volt AC power outlet that fits in your backpack. It is powerful enough to run televisions, lamps, fans, or recharge your laptop multiple times during a camping trip or power outage. With pure sine wave technology, it is safe for sensitive electronics, and the built-in handle makes it easy to carry wherever you go. It is a brilliant way to utilize your lawn care batteries for other tasks, like powering chargers for heavy-duty landscaping tools. For the toughest clearing jobs, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brush cutter powers through thick brush and saplings that a standard trimmer can't handle. Designed to replace gas units, it reaches full throttle in under a second and maintains speed under heavy load, so you never bog down in dense vegetation. The bike handle design provides excellent ergonomics for sweeping motions, reducing fatigue during long days of clearing overgrown properties. It includes a trimmer head and a brush cutter blade, giving you two tools in one, and utilizes the RedLink Plus intelligence to optimize performance. However, carrying all these different accessories requires a serious organization system. To keep your accessories and gear organized on the wall or in the van, the Milwaukee Packout Belt Clip Rack is a simple yet brilliant addition. This modular rack is constructed with metal-reinforced rails that hold up to 50 pounds of weight, allowing you to hang tool belts, bags, or other clip-on gear securely. It connects seamlessly with all other Packout wall plates, letting you customize your shop layout exactly how you want it without drilling extra holes. The impact-resistant body ensures it survives the daily abuse of a workshop environment. It is the perfect spot to hang your gear before grabbing a pneumatic tool for the next job. When you need pneumatic power without the tether of a cord, the Makita 40-volt Max X GT air compressor is the quiet and portable solution. This lightweight compressor is engineered for finish and trim work, delivering high air pressure while operating at a noise level of just 68 decibels, making it ideal for indoor use. It can drive up to 700 finish nails on a single charge of a 4.0 amp-hour battery, proving that battery power can keep up with production speeds. The roll cage construction protects the pump and motor from drops and bumps on the site. While air tools are great, sometimes you just need the reliability of a heavy-duty hand tool. For electrical and utility work, the Milwaukee 9-inch lineman's pliers are engineered to deliver maximum leverage and durability. These pliers feature iron carbide edge-cutting blades that stay sharp longer, easily slicing through ACSR wire, and hard screws that would damage lesser tools. The onboard crimper for insulated and non-insulated terminals adds versatility, while the reaming head allows you to smooth out up to 1-inch conduit without swapping tools. They come with comfort grip handles that won't peel over time and a fish tape puller built right in. While these handle the heavy wire, you'll want something more automated for repetitive cutting in the garden. Save your hand muscles from repetitive strain with the Milwaukee M12 brushless pruning shears. Designed for professional landscapers, these shears can slice through 1.25-inch branches effortlessly, delivering the power to cut faster than manual loppers without the physical effort. The Mode Select allows you to lock the blades to half capacity for faster cutting of smaller branches, significantly increasing your speed during harvest or pruning season. With the M12 battery, you can make over 1,000 cuts per charge, turning a day-long chore into a quick task. Once the pruning is done and the temperature drops, you'll need a way to stay comfortable. To keep the cold at bay on drafty job sites, the Milwaukee M18 propane forced air heater is a must-have. This hybrid unit runs on a standard propane tank but uses an M18 battery to power the fan and ignition, eliminating the need for extension cords. It pumps out up to 70,000 BTUs of heat, which is enough to warm up large barns, warehouses, or outdoor workspaces effectively. The forced air design circulates heat much faster than radiant heaters, and it features onboard safety mechanisms to shut down if it overheats. It is perfect for winter work, which gives you time to prep your equipment for the spring mowing season. Revolutionizing lawn care. The Ryobi 80-volt HP brushless riding. Lawn tractors bring massive electric power to the residential market. These mowers ditch the steering wheel for an iDrive joystick system, allowing for incredible zero-turn agility and one-handed operation. Powered by the 80-volt suitcase batteries, they cut up to 2.5 acres on a single charge with the power equivalent of a 21-horsepower gas engine. They are virtually maintenance-free with no belts, spark plugs, or gas filters to change, and they run silently compared to gas tractors. While this handles the big maintenance, sometimes you need a precision tool for delicate repairs. For intricate electronics and hobby work, the Ryobi USB lithium soldering pen kit offers freedom from cords and butane. This slim, pen-like tool heats up rapidly and runs on the compact USB lithium battery platform, making it perfect for quick repairs in tight spaces like automotive dashboards. It comes with a fine point tip for precision soldering and a chisel tip for larger wires, all stored in a convenient carrying case. The LED indicator lets you know when it's ready to use, and the auto shutoff feature prevents accidents if you forget to turn it off. It is a hot tool for small jobs, but for your drinks, you want the exact opposite. Keep your beverages ice cold or your lunch frozen with the Ryobi 18-volt power cooler. This hybrid unit functions as a fridge or a freezer, capable of hitting temperatures as low as -7 degrees Fahrenheit using just Ryobi batteries. It holds up to 23 liters, which is plenty of space for 40 cans, and features a bottle opener right on the side for convenience. You can plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, a wall socket, or run it cordlessly on the beach, making it the most versatile cooler for work or play. Once you're refreshed, it's time to get back to the heavy-duty metal fabrication. When you need to slice through thick metal pipes or struts, the FlexTools 5-inch deep-cut bandsaw delivers unstoppable power. It features a magnesium housing that makes it lighter and more durable than plastic competitors, reducing fatigue during overhead cuts. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the blade speed to match the material, whether you are cutting stainless steel, rebar, or copper pipe. It also includes a tool-free blade change lever and an integrated LED light to illuminate your cut line in dark mechanical rooms. While this handles metal, fastening into concrete requires a totally different kind of force. Forget about powder-actuated tools and gas cartridges. The Bosch ProFactor concrete nailer runs entirely on 18-volt battery power. This beast can sink nails up to 2.25 inches long into concrete and steel, utilizing the bi-turbo brushless technology to generate massive driving force. It comes with a 22-shot magazine and a coil-style nose that provides a clear line of sight for accurate placement of pins. The on-tool user interface allows you to easily adjust the depth of drive, making it a favorite for framers and commercial drywallers. It is a high-tech solution for driving nails, but sometimes you can't beat the classic swing of a hammer. For the ultimate in hand tool luxury, the Stiletto 10-ounce trim-bone titanium hammer is a masterpiece of engineering. Because it is made of titanium, this 10-ounce hammer hits with the driving force of a 16-ounce steel hammer, but weighs significantly less, saving your elbow from tendinitis. It features a side nail puller that provides maximum leverage for removing staples and nails without damaging the trim. The replaceable steel face means the hammer can last a lifetime, and the magnetic nail starter allows for one-handed setting in overhead situations. It is the perfect companion for framing, but for mechanical fastening, you need speed and torque. Mechanics will love the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt max sealed head ratchet, designed to withstand the greasy, oily reality of automotive work. The sealed head design protects the internal ratcheting mechanism from dirt, oil, and chemical corrosion, ensuring the tool lasts for years. It features a brushless motor that delivers plenty of torque for breaking loose stubborn bolts in tight engine bays where you can't swing a manual wrench. The interchangeable anvils let you switch between 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drives, giving you two tools in one compact package. To make sure you don't lose those bolts in the dark, you need to light up the entire site. Finally, we have the Metabo 18-volt multi-volt LED tripod sight light to flood your workspace with 4,000 lumens of brightness. This light features a hybrid power system running on either multi-volt batteries or a standard extension cord for unlimited runtime. The 3 individually adjustable LED panels allow you to direct light exactly where needed, while the telescoping pole extends up to 7 feet high to reduce shadows. It collapses down into a compact unit for easy transport and is IP55 rated to withstand dust and water on the job. It is the brilliant finish to our list, ensuring you're never left in the dark on any project. And that is our list of 22 of the coolest tools available right now. Let me know in the comments which one of these you'd add to your kit first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.